Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by matching your phone and Hisense TV on the same Wi-Fi so casting works. Open the YouTube app on your phone and sign in. This lets you control playback. If your TV needs a network wake, use the Hisense Remote app or a Universal IR app to open settings and enable network connections. Once done, confirm the TV shows as an available cast device in the YouTube app. This is the key connection that replaces the physical remote. With both devices on the same network, tap the cast icon in the YouTube app. The phone searches for DLNA/Chromecast compatible devices. Choose your Hisense TV from the list. Once selected, YouTube on the TV will display the video you pick on your phone. You can now use your phone to play, pause, seek, adjust volume, and add videos to a queue. Make sure to keep the phone connected to Wi-Fi. Switching networks breaks the casting link and stops control. To finish, stop casting from the phone to hand control back to the TV, or leave casting active to control playback remotely. If the TV doesn't appear when you tap cast, restart the TV and router and try again. Network discovery often fails due to simple IP or multicast issues. If problems persist, plug an HDMI streaming stick like Chromecast into the TV as a dedicated casting bridge. One tip: reboot both devices before blaming the app. Network glitches are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.